8. Daffodils. Learning objectives. 1. Humanity is a part of nature. 2. Understanding the bond between humans and nature. I wandered lonely as a cloud that floats on high over vales and hills, when all at once I saw a crowd, a host of golden daffodils, beside the lake beneath the trees, fluttering and dancing in the breeze. Continuous as the stars that shine and twinkle on the Milky Way, they stretched a never-ending line along the margin of a bay. 10,000 saw I at a glance, tossing their heads in sprightly dance. For often on my couch I lie, in vacant or in pensive mood, they flash upon that inward eye, which is the bliss of solitude. And then my heart with pleasure fills and dances with the daffodils. A poem by William Wordsworth. Exercise time. Answer the following questions. 1. How many daffodils did the poet see at a glance? Answer. The poet saw many daffodils at a glance. 2. Who is the composer of this poem? Answer. The poem was written by William Wordsworth. 3. What happens when the poet lies on his couch? Answer. When the poet lies on his couch, he recalls the dance of the daffodils. 4. Where and how was the poet wandering? Answer. The poet was wandering along the margin of a bay in a vacant or pensive mood. 5. Where did he saw the daffodils? Answer. He saw the daffodils beside the lake beneath the trees. Find their meaning. 1. Wandered. Walk or move aimlessly. 2. Fluttering. Moving with a light, irregular motion. 3. Pensive. Thoughtful. 4. Solitude. Loneliness. Fill in the blanks with the correct words. 1. Continuous as the stars that shine and twinkle on the Milky Way, they stretched in never-ending line along the margin of a bay. 2. For oft when on my couch I lie, in vacant or in pensive mood, they flash upon that inward eye, which is the bliss of solitude. Tick the right options. 1. I wandered lonely as a cloud. A. That floats on the lake. B. That floats on the road. C. That floats high over the vales and hills. Answer. That floats high over vales and hills. 2. Continuous as the stars that shine, they stretched. A. In a never-ending line. B. In a beeline. C. In a balanced way. Answer. A. In a never-ending line. 3. A host of golden daffodils fluttering and A. Dancing on stage. B. Dancing in the breeze. C. Dancing in the rain. Answer. Dancing in the breeze. Match the following. Column 1. The waves. 2. The poet. 3. A cloud. 4. the daffodils. 5. The poet's heart. Column B. A. Filled with pleasure and danced with daffodils. B. Danced beside the daffodils. C. Stretched in a never-ending line. D. Floated over valleys and hills. E. Saw a host of golden daffodils. Answer: the waves floated over valleys and hills. The poet saw a host of golden daffodils. 3. A cloud danced beside the daffodils. The daffodils stretched in a never-ending line. The poet's heart filled with pleasure and danced with daffodils. Let's enjoy the poem. You have already read the words that describe nouns are describing words. Describing words are also called adjectives. When adjectives change in form to show comparison, these forms are called degrees of comparison. There are 3 degrees of comparison. Read the examples below. Positive degree: Rakesh is wise, Priya is beautiful. Comparative degree: Aman is wiser, Kajol is more beautiful. Superlative degree: Pankaj is the wisest of the 3. Katrina is the most beautiful girl. Now read the pretty daffodil acrostic poem and add the different degree of adjective. Dreaming of sunshine, the awakening of spring, flowers poking up their sleeping heads, frost recede and life returns, opening their faces to the sun, drinking in the golden warmth. I drink with them, lost for a moment in the beauty of spring. Listening and speaking skills. Your teacher will ask you some riddles based on nature. Answer them by raising your hands and create your riddle based on the nature in your words.